Hello everyone, thank you so much. मम्मी पापा श्रद्धा निपुल भाई राहुल क्या बात है मिथुन लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव ज्वाइंड सभी को हाय 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 एंड थैंक यू सो मच मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि एक दिन के अंदर माय न्यू सॉन्ग चला हूँ मैं टाइटल आप देख सकते हो क्या हैज़ क्रॉस्ड मोर देन 30,000 व्यूज मोर देन 500 लाइक्स मोर देन 130 कमेंट्स मतलब भाई बहुत ही मज़ा आ गया आप सभी के कमेंट्स पढ़ के तो खास बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ गया क्या बोलूँ एंड द फीलिंग इज़ जस्ट सो नाइस आई वॉज रियली वरिड कि एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो यू नो जो सस्पेंस है काफ़ी लोगों ने जिन्होंने नहीं देखा है वीडियो आई कीप द सस्पेंस रिटेन्ड बट आई वॉज जस्ट worried how the people will take that suspense but luckily they took it exactly the way I intended them to. Really glad about that. So yeah, thank you so much. अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं सुना है अभी तक गाना देन ये लाइव सेशन के बाद अभी नहीं ये लाइव सेशन के बाद ज़रूर जाकर सुनिए द लिंक इज़ इन माई बायो एंड ऑफ कोर्स ये लाइव सेशन में मैं वो गाना गाऊंगा ही सो लेट्स गो आवर टुडेज गेस्ट इज अ वेरी स्पेशल पर्सन for many reasons, one of them being she is really chirpy for a psychologist. Just kidding. She is, yeah, like for a psychologist part is just kidding. She really is chirpy and she is a very good friend as well. And of course, she is a psychologist specialized in clinical psychology. And आप सभी को उससे मिलकर I promise. So presenting वेलकम म्यूजिक मिल रहा है विशाखा को सोचो नसीब सोचो रिचा हेलो निर्मिति लावण्या क्या बात है a lot of my school I mean college friends are joining in सागर गंगर 96 अगर आप उसको देख सकते हो he is my cousin brother and he does the role of the salesperson in my video he is quite handsome so if you want to check him out check the video क्या हुआ I sent the request to Vishakha maybe she wasn't able to accept it I'll send it again here we go Kushal I couldn't find it new song Ruchi ji आप you can go to my Instagram channel main profile and there's a link of the video Vishakha
Hi I have been struggling I have been struggling a little bit with my first ever live with you. It's okay, yeah. I hope I'm visible and the lighting is okay. Anything needs to be changed?
Yeah, exactly. It's fine. It's just fine. In fact, last time भी मेरी टॉक्स के टाइम मैंने काफी लोगों का श्री गणेश कराया था ऐसे कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने फर्स्ट टाइम किया था. So yeah, I can handle that. But yeah, the placement is perfect, lighting is perfect. And guys, I already have given a brief introduction of you, but you can see how cute and chubby Vishakha is. But she is an equally or all the more professional psychologist. She has toured pan-India for different army and navy and workshops on mental health along with my favorite professor from Ruya, Himani ma'am. And yeah, I'm sort of jealous that you got to do that. But anyway, she's really good at what she does, and that's why she also was really helpful in formulating the thought behind the music video of Chala Hu Main. So Vishakha, यहाँ पर कोई लोग ऐसे भी होंगे जिन्होंने वीडियो देखा नहीं है, so they don't know the suspense as well as people who actually do know it. So we'll sort of keep that explicit कि उसके बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे, but of course we'll talk about the entire issue at hand, the entire mental health issue at hand. So first of all, how are you doing?
How are you doing? How are you feeling?
Yeah.
So yes, I'm doing well. I was pretty excited because it's my first ever live with you. Although I have my clinic and we keep doing Zoom, but my first live. So yes, I would really want to congratulate you first thing for an amazing video that you've done. And second thing, thank you for having me here. Very sweet of you. So I was
Most
very
welcome.
excited,
I'm so
very
glad.
curious. And if I'm feeling like, wow, I want to know what's going to happen.
Yeah, exactly. It's so nice that this is your first live session. So you are here in the first episode of Chala Hu Main. And you are also one of the persons enlisted in the special thanks section of the video. So
You.
that's really nice.
Thank you.
यहाँ पर मेरे मामा और मेरा भाई भी है, जतिन मामा सागर. सो जतिन मामा वाज द टेलर इन द म्यूजिक वीडियो, जो टाई पहना रहे थे एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड
Oh,
सागर वाज द सेल्स पर्सन.
yeah. Hi, Mama. Hi,
या.
Sagar.
So a lot of people has have joined us. Rashi is here. Hi Rashi. Brynmaida. A lot of my musician friends, college friends, and other Instagram friends. So yeah, talking about the topic, how about you give a brief introduction of what you do on a daily basis now? So Vishakha,
Right.
इसका टाइम मिलना मतलब बहुत ही बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज्यादा बिजी होती है. मतलब टाइम भी
Okay,
ऐसे
come on.
एकदम मिनट्स में देती है कि हाँ, यहाँ से 12:36 से 27 मिनट में दे पाऊंगी. उसके आगे फिर मेरे
Okay, come on.
अपॉइंटमेंट.
Okay,
सो
come
व्हाट
on.
इज
You
दैट?
know. All right. So basically, as you know, for this entire under this pandemic, we've been hit and we've all been remotely working. And with there are bouts of these mental health, the thing that happened, and there's a fight, and everybody wants, to talk about it, and they have their own concerns and issues. So we've been remotely working, as I have a clinic and I have my team. So, yes, just everyday mental health concerns and issues. We work on sessions and appointments, and hence each time when you call up, my phone battery has always been low. And I request to that, please
Just
can I call
Vishaka,
you
just
back?
give me a second.
Yeah,
My phone
yeah.
has gone on like the caller speaker mode. Let me just one second.
Okay, okay, yeah,
Yeah, yeah. I think it's fine now.
yeah.
Yeah,
All right. Yeah,
yeah.
so basically we have a team and we've been doing on-call and video call sessions for them. We do crisis counseling, we do therapy at times. It's just, a ventilation. Like, I just need to talk, I need somebody. And yeah,
Right.
so hence I've just been so tied up. Everything being, so I personally also took a lot of time to come in terms with this entire transitioning things to online, because mental health is something that you need that in-person conversation. You want to know the person, you want to see the person, you
Hmm.
want that vibe that needs to be exchanged. So yeah, it took me some time until I got in terms with it, and my everyday is just either meetings, either scheduling appointments. So I think I'm doing everything, like right from, of course, wouldn't be possible technically without my team and my two joint founders, but yeah.
Right.
So this is exactly what I've been doing, and your
Yeah.
video just hit.
Yeah, I'm so glad. I'm so glad that I've received a similar feedback from almost everybody. So that's really great. And especially this is the first time I directed the entire video. So वो pressure भी था, कि अगर वीडियो में कुछ भी कमी रही, now it's only me I can pinpoint at. So I had
Correct.
to be thorough with all of that. So I'm glad the end result has been great. So as you said, this digital transition because of the entire
Hmm.
lockdown has been really tough. And I can only imagine friends में भी थोड़ा वो कमी महसूस होती है. वन ऑन वन कन्वर्सेशन वर्सेस ये. मेरे पापा बोल रहे हैं कि थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बात करना.
Okay, ठीक है, uncle, done. We
हाँ.
can do Kachi
हाँ.
also.
Yeah, Vishaka is one of the rare ऐसे हीरे है वो, कि जो who is Kutchi and knows Kutchi. So yeah, that's also really nice. तो
Yes.
just like friends में भी हमें वो वैसे महसूस होता है. तो
Hmm.
as a therapist, as a psychologist, when you talk to your clients and try to do the needful, उसमें how tough was the transition for you and too for them, especially?
Oh God. Okay, so that's a task. Okay, to exactly tell you, you've hit the rod, because the time, so I kept escaping it. So I, through my clinic, of course, we reached out to many organizations. Rather, many organizations reached out to us for tying up and, if we could help them. So we did that. And slowly and gradually, I was like that I am never a very on call or a video person. Like even right now, I told you that, okay, I'm going to struggle a bit because I'm pretty, you need that in person. So I'm very that I need that touch of in person. So it took me around 1.5 months. So it was only April, mid April end is where I forthcomingly came ahead and I was like, okay, I have to do it. It's the need of the hour. And if I'm not of any use now, then it does make sense. So we started with
Hmm.
completely gratis sessions at the start of it, where I very openly, as a therapist, maintaining my ethic, I did inform my patients and my clients that, it's a very first time that, even I'm into this. So I would need a cooperation. Anything that you think has, probably got misinterpreted or requires more
Right.
clarification, please, by, all means, go ahead.
Correct.
So it started with on call and moving with on call. Now it is Zoom, and now I think I'm a pro. I can say that because it's a lot of comfort, and I also realize that even patients take in time. Because first of all, what happens with online is, there are way too many people. We live in Indian families where we are closely
Hmm.
knit. We have people, we have small homes, we have everybody around us.
Right.
So it used to be like, scheduling and rescheduling of the time. So probably sometimes like, 8 in the morning to even calls at 3:30 that, hi, I need to talk. So,
Correct.
me grinding into that schedule and coming in terms with it took time. And I think it's the same for the patients. I remember it's not as easy as we say, that I'm there, you please talk to me. I think it takes a lot, even more than me. I think it takes them because they don't even know me. They just have to
Exactly.
call. They just have to call and they say, hi, can I please talk? And it's all your tone and your warmth. And I just think it's the vibe that matters that, yes, just say, I'm listening. So,
Hmm.
yeah, that was like a transition that happened. And I think it was with everybody. Like, you take it my friends, you take it my, I call myself as a mental health handy OPD, like these days with my talks normally on a call, it's just like that, hi Vishakha, you know what, I think this is happening. And I'm like, yeah, we can talk on it. So
Yeah,
yeah.
I think one of your friends is here, Santi21 HTDC. So,
Thank you, Santosh. That's Santosh.
Santosh, yes,
Yes.
the best person in her field. I wouldn't
Thank
doubt
you.
that. Definitely.
Thank you, Santi.
Hmm.
So
So,
yeah.
यहाँ पर, because of the circumstance and especially one very peculiar thing that took place a while
Hmm.
back,
Hmm.
suddenly the entire, like, no offense, but ऐसे हर phase का एक trending topic होता है,
You're right.
which is short-lived, unfortunately. But
Hmm.
currently, for all the better reasons, the trending topic is mental health. To
I
the
agree.
extent where, okay, I lost you. Okay, you're there. To the
Yeah.
extent where people, Himani ma'am has joined, Himani ma'am, even
Hi,
Aditya has
Dr. Himani
joined.
ma'am.
Full
So good
टोली है
to see
आपकी
you.
यहाँ पर.
I don't see Adi though. Hi, Adi.
Yeah, he's just up there.
Okay.
So, by the way, guys,
Yeah.
Himani ma'am, Aditya, Vishakha, we all are Ruhites, Kattar. Himani ma'am is our like guru, so we are
Yes.
Guru Bandhus that way.
Yes.
Guru ma.
Yes. Yes. Srila Guruma.
Yeah, exactly, ma'am. Pailavu. So yeah, carrying on with the question. क्या
Yeah.
था क्वेश्चन? Yeah, exactly. तो ये जो ट्रांजिशन में one one I'll let the judgment part of it to you that one trending hashtag was talk to me.
Thanks, Kay. Thanks.
What would you like to say about that?
All right. So I would. Okay. Am I supposed to be politically correct, or can I just
No, no,
say it?
you're just supposed to be you. Please be you.
All right. So I am so sorry, but I think it was a great initiative for people who started it. But trust me, Kay, personally, when I started receiving messages, I was like, okay, it's not as easy, Like, of course, they were doing it out of help, and they were like, yes, I'm there, you talk. But and I'm not saying this just because I'm a mental health professional. Like, okay, I don't need anybody to talk. I
Okay, okay,
myself find it,
Vishakha,
yeah.
that's again thing. थोड़ा अगर हिंदी में हो
Sorry.
सकता है,
Yes,
it's
yes.
Hindi and
Sorry,
English.
sorry,
Right.
sorry. Ha, ha. Sorry. Yeah. Where was I?
So
Mm,
it's not as easy,
या
was your
सो
point.
या जैसे कि मुझे भी बहुत सारे डायरेक्ट मैसेजेस आते थे, बहुत सारे ईमेल्स आते थे दैट हाय मैम, आई एम देयर, आपको कोई बात करनी है तो प्लीज टॉक टू मी, और नॉट इवन मैम, जस्ट लाइक हाय, यू कैन टॉक टू मी. एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट दे वर देयर एंड दे वांटेड टू, बेसिकली उनको वो चेन और सर्किट बनाना था, लाइक यस आई एम देयर,
Correct.
एनीथिंग यू कैन ऑलवेज कॉल. बट आई ऑलवेज फील कि वो इतना इजी नहीं होता है, कि बिकॉज मैं ये फील्ड में हूँ, आई नो दैट इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. जैसे कि हम रैपो कहते हैं, वो बहुत ही लूजली लोग यूज करते हैं कि हाँ, रैपो मीनिंग लाइक you're breaking the ice and you're getting the person in comfort. But I always think that
Right.
it's not that easy, because even we know that there's an entire process and a transition. And there is a difference. Like there's a difference between you helping and you giving therapy. So हेल्प में क्या होता है, तुम एडवाइस भी दे सकते हो, तुम तुम्हारे जजमेंट्स भी पास कर सकते हो, you can give your perspective basically.
Right.
And when it comes to therapy वो नहीं होता है, because वो एक process होता है. Although I am as informal as you can see me right now and just being myself to the level, but there are certain
Right.
boundaries जो हमें maintain करनी होती है. तो वो
Correct.
boundaries जो है, what I realized is that when you have to go to the your friend, what happens is the first reaction is not that हाँ मैं सुन रही हूँ कि मैं सुन रहा हूँ. First, are you crazy? Are you kidding me? तुझे ये हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं सब ठीक हो जाएगा. And then there's that
Yeah.
hesitation. They think that they can do everything, but there's a difference between seeking professional help and a slight difference between hi, talk to me is a great thing. But I know of so many that even when, like as simple as that, when you message me, I myself, I take so many days to reply, you know.
Correct. Correct.
So talk to me, I think it was very loosely done. If there was certain professional circuit made, I think it would have made a great impact. And hey, just
Exactly.
to tell you, when you're talking about
Yeah.
talk to me, I think right now every second person I know, he's calling himself as a mental health professional. कि हाँ मैं काउंसलर हूँ, प्लीज मेरे साथ बात करो. तो उसमें
Yeah.
पूरा
Yeah.
ऑथेंटिसिटी चले जाता है, लाइक आई अग्री दैट यू आर देयर, एंड आई अग्री के वी आर लकी कि हमारे पास दोस्त है, फ्रेंड्स है, बट स्लाइट डिफरेंस है यार. लाइक इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस टू नो दैट. So talk to me. For me, my personal opinion on social media is
No. And exactly, because one more thing is on a human note, कि मैं, Aditya, in fact, a lot of people, Himani ma'am herself, as a friend to her friends of her age,
hmm,
कि
hmm,
advices देना and logical बातें करना to a person in distress is one thing, of course, कि आप वो
correct,
करते हो कभी कभार हो गया. But the difference between a me and a Vishakha would be you do that as a profession. That naturally implies you do that much more than I do. And that also implies you don't have any egoistic goals involved. When I say egoistic, अभी मैं मेरे फ्रेंड को अच्छी एडवाइस दूंगा तो कहीं ना कहीं मेरा भी ईगो बूस्ट हो रहा है ना, कि देख
correct,
हाँ मैं इसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, अरे आयल
correct,
मैं समझाता हूँ ना क्या करना है, आई टेल
correct,
नहीं नहीं तू ये कर, तू ये ही कर, यू विल बी
correct,
सॉर्टेड. That
correct,
versus a professional help where you are trying to maintain, not trying, but efficiently maintaining all your codes of ethic, where you are not
correct,
supposed to just blindly give a person a follow sheet, ye
correct,
karo and you'll be fine. It's not as
correct,
easy as that. So there's a huge difference between both of the things,
correct, correct.
qualitatively and as well as the content of it.
Correct, correct. So, okay, it's like friends are the first place that these days we go to. Like more than
Hmm.
family also, it's like we know कि हाँ ये मेरा दोस्त है, मुझे समझ पाएगा, मुझे समझ पाएगी, मेरा दिल हल्का होगा और मैं बात कर
Right.
पाऊंगी. बट इसमें क्या होता है, जब तुम दिल हल्का करे हो, आई कम्प्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड, ग्रेट, यू आर गेटिंग वेंटिलेशन. बट उसमें क्या
Yeah.
होता है, the friend might just give in some opinion कि वो कुछ ऐसा सो कर देगा which वो तुम्हारे thought process में था भी नहीं. बट वो बिकॉज इतना लाइक दैट्स द फ्रेंड राइट, ओके हाउ द हेल वो कैसे कर
Right.
सकता है तुम्हारे साथ ये. तो ये उसके नजरिए में भी नहीं है, बट बिकॉज द फ्रेंड
Hmm.
सेड, नाउ दैट ऑटोमेटिकली बिकम्स अ कॉम्प्लेक्स. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
Exactly.
So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yes, that's like a slight difference. So hence I said talk to me was a nice thing, just as simple as Facebook. Like we are connecting people,
Uh-huh.
but we need to understand that we're already in a very collectivistic nature, and it has both, of course, it's pros and cons. But yeah, let's not misuse it by calling ourselves as professionals and counselors, is what I would say.
या एग्जैक्टली वो वैसा कुछ होना चाहिए, मूवीज में दिखाते हैं ना कि कोई पुलिस या गवर्नमेंट वाला आया, हम पहले पूछेगा आईडी दिखाओ. सो व्हेन
Correct.
समवन से हाँ यू कैन टॉक टू मी, यू शुड बी लाइक आईडी दिखाओ.
Correct, correct,
सर्टिफिकेट कहाँ पे
correct,
है?
correct. But कि again, no, ये हमें सिखाया गया है ना, like if you take like since years back, like this is going on, प्रथा जैसे हम कहते हैं, it's been that where we don't ask, especially doctors को जैसे हम भगवान मानते हैं, हम पूछते नहीं है कि हाँ भाई आपको specialization है क्या, कि आपकी डिग्री है
हाँ.
क्या. So my perspective over here is that fantastic. That is the trust that you have in the fraternity. Like today, It's Vishakha Punjani, but of course, I'm a reflection of my entire fraternity. I'm representing my fraternity of mental health. So what I do is I make it a point that okay, उसको नहीं पता है ना मैं कौन हूँ, but उसको वाया वाया कहाँ से पोस्ट से नंबर मिला है, तो तुम क्या कर सकते हो एज अ प्रोफेशनल. आई इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ कि मैंने ये पढ़ाई की है, ये मेरी डिग्रीज है और ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है. So as simple as that,
Hmm.
although I have an experience of children, but I know that my joint founder is better at it. So probably मैं केस हिस्ट्री ले
Exactly.
लेती हूँ as my first session and then I say that because आपको थेरेपी करनी है तो ये मैडम की एक्सपर्टीज है तो मैं आपको यहाँ पर रेफर करती हूँ. एंड उनको कहीं
Right.
बाहर नहीं जाना है, वो क्लिनिक में ही है, बट it's never a problem to give a recommendation or a referral to you know who might do a better justice than what you can do. So if
Exactly. And
they
that
cannot
so
answer, yeah,
doesn't apply when it comes to, yeah, your friend coming in and saying, यार मुझे तेरी हेल्प चाहिए, थोड़ी छाती चौड़ी हो जाए, मेरे पास आया है,
correct,
I'll surely solve its problem, which
correct,
is a good thing in itself, but it's important
correct,
to always remember the difference. कि
correct,
आप, you know, when you're going to a professional and when you're going to a friend, you have to expect different things. You can't expect the same thing.
correct.
Yeah.
So, okay, I would want to add another thing over here is like if you're, really emphasizing कि भाई दोस्त है वो अच्छा है और वो सुन रहा है and he's trying to, वो आपको हाथ दे रहा है कि भाई मेरा हाथ पकड़, I'll pull you up. So I would also suggest कि यहाँ पर ना if friends are taking the responsibility of the person, then they should also take a responsibility to say that okay there is no harm. अगर जो तुम्हें mental health professional के पास
Ah.
जाना है, मैं आता हूँ तुम्हारे साथ और मैं आंटी के साथ बात करता हूँ, I'll come with you to visit. So वो थोड़ा जिसे
True.
हम कहते हैं बेसिकली थेरेपी में बडी. So buddy is basically हम school settings में जास्ती यूज करते हैं where you have your buddy who helps you to overcome your own things and just acts like a scaffolding or a motivation because मैं as a therapist I can't be everywhere. So at least that buddy is there. Buddy can be just slight motivation दे सकता है कि हाँ चल हम जाते हैं, लाइक मेरा यहाँ तक था, अभी तुमको लेट्स सी के थेरेपिस्ट व्हाट उसका क्या इम्प्रेशन है, क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है. सो दैट कैन बी
Yeah.
डन.
Exactly. And just so that we don't bore the audience with just
यस,
talking, पापा ने बोला है
थोड़ा
थोड़ा गाना
गाना हो
बजाइए.
जाए.
तो फिर सिंस इतना क्रिटिक कर दिया हमने दोस्तों के बारे में, तो दोस्तों को थोड़ा खुश भी कर देते हैं. So I'll sing a song for friends.
Yes.
अरे यारों दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो हो राज़दार, दे दरस तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार, यारो मोहब्बत ही तो बंदगी है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो हो राज़दार, जिसको तुमसे हो प्यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार. तेरी हर एक बुराई पे डांटे वो दोस्त, गम की हो धूप तो साया बने तेरा वो दोस्त, डांटे भी वो तेरी खुशी में, अरे यारो दोस्ती बड़ी हसीना है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो हो राज़दार, जिसको तुमसे हो प्यार, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार.
Yay.
Woohoo!
It's so nice just
Right.
listening to you, Kay.
Thank you so much. It's like we are making up for the time that day when you had come home with ma'am and Shalaka. You had to rush back because बहुत बुखार चढ़ गया था.
Yeah. Yes.
So
This was
yeah.
pre-COVID,
So we
guys.
are
This was pre-COVID.
pre-COVID, yes.
Yes, yes. Please. Otherwise, tomorrow. Yeah.
एग्जैक्टली मेरे जो एक्टर है मयंक तो
Hmm.
इज डन अ फैब जॉब एंड हमारा शूट हुआ वी ऑल वर वेरी हैप्पी आई टोल्ड हिम मैं रात को एडिट करूंगा सॉन्ग एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग ही डज इज ही कॉल्स मी कि भाई वीडियो जब रिलीज हो ना तभी नीचे लिख देना कि हमने सारे प्रिकॉशंस लिए थे और नहीं तो कोई ये मामला नहीं हो जाए बीएमसी वाले ये वो कुछ भी तो मैं बोला, नहीं बात तो सही है सो वी जस्ट राइट वी वर अ वेरी शॉर्ट टीम ऑफ 4 people एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट सो यू वोंट बिलीव एक्चुअली इट्स क्वाइट बिलीवेबल कि मैं अभी
Hmm.
इतने लोगों को गाना शेयर कर रहा था यू नो कि प्लीज देखिए लाइक कीजिए कमेंट कीजिए ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड देन गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन ही इज एन आर्टिस्ट मैनेजर एज वेल and he was like ki, I like the song but at this point I really want to ask you sorry if I'm wrong but I want to ask you I hope your song wasn't influenced by your mental situation so if it is so then please talk to me. I immediately remembered you were like, okay, talk to me. His intent was right. So I said, no, luckily that's not the case. I'm in a good
Correct.
place mentally.
Correct.
And that happened.
Correct, correct, absolutely. We have this thing, the ones who serve in mental health, they end up, having some mental health problems and they're on the couch. So I remember as a journey when I wanted to become, and get
Hindi.
into, sorry, जब मुझे साइकोलॉजिस्ट बनना था एंड व्हेन आई वाज लाइक ओके मुझे प्रैक्टिस करना है तो आई रिमेम्बर मेरे जितने घर वाले थे रिलेटिव्स थे सबने बोला अरे तू खुद ही पागल हो जाएगी पता है एक दिन ये सब कुछ सुन सुन कर
अरे वाह.
एंड आई एम राइट देयर आई एम लाइक पागल मतलब प्लीज एक्सप्लेन कीजिए मुझे बिकॉज पागल इज तो अगेन वेरी लूजली यूज लाइक पागल मतलब क्या जस्ट बिकॉज हम मेजोरिटी में हैं इसीलिए हम नॉर्मल कहलाते हैं और प्राउडली जो थाने मेंटल हॉस्पिटल में है और बिकॉज वो माइनॉरिटी में इसलिए वो पागल है अंदर सीकिंग हेल्प आई एम लाइक वो डेफिनेशन कहाँ से आती है पागल की so yes,
Correct.
I completely get your point.
Yeah.
But I think that
More.
was a good intention, K, of your
Yeah,
end.
definitely.
Probably,
I was glad
yeah.
because out of all the people, I must have personally sent the song to like 700 odd people. It's the
Hmm.
first time I ever did that, but that's people like a personal touch, like
Yes.
actually sending them a
Yes.
message just for them. So out
Hmm.
of all of them, he was the only guy who actually asked कि भाई सब ठीक है ना, which was a very nice thing. वो एक
Correct.
भी हो भले इतने सारे फ्रेंड्स में से एक भी हो तो वो एक काफी होता है in
Correct.
case such a thing is actually happening.
Correct.
So,
Correct.
just as you said, your family raised a very important issue अपने
Hmm.
स्टाइल में भले तो भी
Hmm.
पागल हो जाएगी
हाँ.
but every even for us musicians so कभी शो करके आते हो ना full power 2 घंटे 3 घंटे we are enjoying music like it's in our blood and all of that after we come back into our hotel rooms and we are just chilling we are like कुछ नहीं सुनना है like even on our way back home not every time of course we like listening to other sorts of music which we
Hmm.
can't play after the gig but a lot of times it's like बस अभी detox time है अभी music नहीं चाहिए थोड़ी देर के लिए so
Correct.
what serves as a detox for you.
Detox for me is basically I love to doodle. So just last night, so this one last week I was completely on a patient emergency. So I was at Hinduja Hospital. So that was like a
Yeah.
lot of plus and minus happening there, and of course maintaining distance from my family and all. So I'm like yesterday, last night I didn't do anything. I just sat with my pencil and my paper and I sat doodling. So if you just see my WhatsApp display picture is a doodle by me. So I do that. That's
I
like
liked
I
it.
feel good. Yeah. So I keep doing that and yeah, I think it's very limited. So I like small little things. So probably just like, take it watering my plants or I actually sit at night and I'm nicely looking at the moon. I love the rain, so I'm nicely at the moon. So if there's 2 o'clock, somebody at the window, it is me. So I think I'm detoxifying that time. So yeah, it's just the little things because when I need to detoxify, I really want my space. So personally, I don't like people around me or probably asking me how am I, what am I doing, and everything. If that is my time, then that is my time. So that's
Yeah.
just like being all by myself at the window.
I think in the life of a psychologist, the most cliched statement would be or question would be, "So how are you?" Be like, "Mat pusho."
So, Kay, I have a small, alteration to it. And Dr. Himani, if she's here, she'll agree with me, and I'll give her a high five for that. Is I want a patent on this very soon. Okay, I want it as a copyright. That I want a small alteration. If people can start using "How are you feeling?" then "How are you?" Just because when you ask "How are you?" Okay, so Kay, tell me, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, okay, Kay, how are you feeling today?
Feeling good.
Okay, so see what happens is, did you see your reaction time for when I asked how are you?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
वो एकदम
definitely.
क्विक था, वो एकदम क्विक था, हाँ आई एम गुड। पर जब आप पूछते हो कि भाई तुम कैसे महसूस कर रहे हो, अभी वो कैसे महसूस कर रहे हो ना, वो एक साइकी में बैठ गया है कि हाँ भाई, जब हम बीमार होते हैं ना, बुखार होता है कि कुछ है, तभी हम पूछते हैं अच्छा अभी तुम्हें कैसे महसूस हो रहा है, सब ठीक तो है ना, यू आर फीलिंग गुड ना। हम लाइक इफ हम वो फिजिकल के लिए कर सकते हैं, फिजिकल इलनेस के लिए कर सकते हैं, so then why not for mental illness or mental health or just your normal mental health, so called defined normal mental health, or just to know what
Uh-huh.
your state of mind is? Because when you are saying how are you, वो person at least वो छोटू से टाइम के लिए ना वो रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है कि एक्चुअली मुझे कैसे महसूस हो रहा है। और वहां पर तुम
Hmm.
एक विंडो दे रहे हो उसको एक्चुअली बताने के लिए कि वो कैसे महसूस कर रहा है। So you're actually breaking the ice right over there, because you might be like, actually I was good, but I had this kind of a day. Like मेरा दिन ना सुबह से ऐसा था, and you see that the conversation lasts longer. So ये मैंने बहुत ही छोटे ग्रुप पे स्टडी किया है, and I'm doing a lot of qualitative analysis. So I always keep asking if just one thing you can tweak it, like just from how are you to how are you feeling, and of course you can get
Hmm.
back to me with if of other results. But yeah, it works well.
That's actually very interesting, very amazing. It literally does the job of an icebreaker because when you say how are you are so not breaking the ice. It
Correct.
has become so automated. A lot of things in our mind, just so that we are not disturbed consciously, are
Correct.
very much automated. So how are you? हाँ, I'm good.
Yeah, अरे वो
So
सिखाया गया
that's
है।
also one thing that is addressed in the video itself that ये जो एकदम primitive talks होते हैं बेस लेवल
Correct.
के हाउ आर यू कैसा चल रहा है वो इतने ऑटोमेट हो जाते हैं हमारे दिमाग में कि अगर मैं बोल भी दूं या आई एम गुड एंड इफ यू बिलीव मी दैट प्रोबेबली
Yeah.
वुड बी द वर्स्ट थिंग एवर बिकॉज
Yeah.
दैट सेज नथिंग अबाउट हाउ आई एक्चुअली एम. So
Yeah.
how are you feeling can be a way of breaking through that barrier, that shield that I've created or any person, and
Correct.
yeah, peeping through. So in fact, यहाँ पर जितने भी लोग देख रहे हैं, we would want to ask you guys, how are you feeling?
Today.
So let's see. मैं लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पे. Let's see
हाँ.
what sort of responses we get from people. Sorry, that was by mistake. So how are you feeling? By the way, Chintan B is saying she's an awesome doodler. And I don't know, either your mom or your dad is here because B Panjani.
It
So
would be Jay. I think
J
that's
and Panjani,
my,
sorry.
yeah. That's my brother.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
Hi Jay. Hi Chintan. Yeah, Chintan has received
So cool.
cards of my doodles. Yeah.
Sagar says a small question, but really amazing. An icebreaker question will surely try and
Thank
use
you.
that from now on. क्या बात है?
Thank you.
Amazing. Hmm. So guys, also we would like to know कि जैसे विशाखा ने अपना detox share किया. My detox is not listening to music. So for you guys, what serves as a good detox whenever you are just बहुत काम है या बहुत ओवरलोड हो गया है, कोई इमोशनल ओवरलोड है, what do you guys do कि आप लोगों को लगे कि चलो यार अभी थोड़ा बेटर फील करूंगा अगर मैं ये कर लूँ. For a lot of people, it's just listening to music or doing something they love. So your friend says feeling great and a little tired.
Uh,
That's nice. As an
okay.
answer, that's nice.
I'm sure it is better than I'm okay. I mean, yes, I'm well, thank you. How about
Definitely,
you?
definitely.
So yeah, so that gives a high five.
Exactly. So while everyone is thinking कि अभी how are you feeling पूछा यार अभी क्या बोलूँ मैं? Everyone has one plan. तो तब तक let's utilize that time. And मैं यहाँ पर जितने भी special लोग हैं who are still around listening to our बकबक, मैं उनके लिए and for you, I'll sing the song that was released yesterday. चला
Yes,
हूँ मैं, चला हूँ
yes,
मैं for you.
yes.
मैं रास्ता भटक गया, मैं चाहता न जो हुआ वो है। क्यों है खफा तू, जो चाह वो न मिल सका, जो पास था वही जुदा अब है। क्यों है जुदा तू, चेहरे पे हंसी तो थी, गम तो छुप गया निगाहों में। कह ना सका तुम्हें कभी कि दर्द ही है भरा ये बाहों में। सभी थे कोई न था, वो शोर में कहीं हुआ चुप मैं। क्यों चुप हुआ मैं जीते जी न जी सका। चल रहा हूँ पर थमा हूँ मैं, कहाँ थमा मैं। जिंदगी कुछ है खुशी, कुछ है कम जो सह रहा हूँ मैं। क्या करूँ न है पता, तो बस यूं दूर कहीं चला हूँ मैं। चला हूँ मैं।
Goosebumps.
Thank you everyone. Amazing, love your voice. क्या बात है. You know the best feeling about being in a profession when you meet a lot of people or interact with a lot of people. It's that you get to, yeah, it's the interaction basically. You get to interact with so many different books. It's like
So
reading a
many
bit of
stories.
stories, exactly, and
Yeah.
reading bits and pieces of each of those stories and making that your
Right.
own. So it becomes a
Correct.
bigger part of my book, my story. So
Right.
it's amazing. थैंक यू गाइस, बहुत ही अच्छे रिस्पॉन्सेस मिले. असर सेज हार्ट टचिंग सॉन्ग. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड अगर आप में से किसी ने भी अभी तक वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो उसको
तो
मैं
प्लीज
पनिश नहीं कर
देखिए,
सकता,
प्लीज
बट इतना
देखिए,
जरूर बोल सकता हूँ कि प्लीज देखिए, प्लीज.
प्लीज,
या डेफिनेटली, इवन विशाखा इज सेइंग सो, अभी तो देखना ही
प्लीज,
पड़ेगा आप सभी को.
प्लीज.
देखिए. एंड जैसे विशाखा इससे एकदम अचंभित, शॉक्ड रह गई है. I am hoping that even you will have a similar sort of reaction. So surely do watch the video. In fact, अगर video already देख लिया, you just want to hear the song, then you can also stream it on Spotify, गाना, जो भी streaming apps है, उन सभी से आप गाना सुन सकते हैं. So surely do that. So Vishakha, at the very end, क्या, what's this live about? Okay, so Himangi is questioning the reason of this live. So this live is basically about me shamelessly promoting my own song. चलाओ भाई,
Don't say that.
सुनो भाई, सुनो 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 मेरा गाना सुनो. नहीं सुना है तो आप क्या कर रहे हो, इतना फ्री टाइम पड़ा है आपके पास, सुनो. And apart from that, serving a better, higher purpose, talking to such amazing people who are doing seriously well and sort of serving the society at this point majorly शी इज अ मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल एंड दैट टू अ वेरी गुड एंड वेरी क्वालिफाइड वन. तो इनसे बात करके, ऐसे काफी लोगों से बात करके इन द कमिंग डेज, I just want to create a buzz around my song, of course, and around this entire topic as to what is the right approach. It's too easy, no offense, but it's too easy to just use an hashtag saying that talk to me. It's too easy saying that, let's fight depression, let's post something, मैंने एक photo डाल दिया. But these conversations need to happen. These conversations especially need to happen in the correct manner with the correct people involved. That's very, very important because मैं वैसे कहने के लिए एमए हूँ, बट जस्ट लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ द अदर पीपल हियर, वी आर किड्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू एक्चुअली मैनेजिंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग आवर ओन इमोशंस. सो कोई तो रीजन होगा ना, क्योंकि ह्यूमन एवोल्यूशन में यहाँ तक साइकोलॉजी करके एक डेडिकेटेड फील्ड बनाई लोगों ने to especially study these things, and people like Vishaka actually study it. So it sort of makes sense, it completely makes sense that to understand that they have the upper hand in this department. Hence, we should reach out to them whenever we feel we want to, and we should listen to them definitely. What do you have to say as a common, if you were to give some legit advice to
Legit.
everyone in this time?
So I would just want to, whatever you said, Kay, I would just add one thing to it is, let's understand and just observe things, I mean, it's very easy to judge, when as a student, हमारे टेक्स्ट बुक्स में सिखाया गया था कि a good or an appropriate psychologist or a therapist ये होती है जो जज नहीं करती है. बट मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ दैट वी हैव अ मैकेनिज्म राइट ओवर हियर कि सबसे पहले हम किसी को भी देखते हैं, लाइक एनीथिंग, इवन माय पेशेंट जब मुझे देखता है कि मैं मेरे पेशेंट की क्लाइंट को देखती हूँ, judgment just comes in, but give
Yeah.
it some time. Yeah, judgment comes in like, oh, you know what, I don't like the dress, you know what, I think this is too tacky. हमारे लिए बोलना बहुत ही easy होता है, but हमें ये पता नहीं होता है कि वो उनके ऊपर क्या impact होता है. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब मैं सैन हॉस्पिटल में थी, एंड आई रिमेम्बर वन ऑफ माई कलीग जस्ट सेइंग दैट अरे वो तुम्हारा जो ग्रीन वाला ड्रेस है ना वो मुझे पसंद नहीं आया, अदरवाइज तुम बहुत ही अच्छे कपड़े पहनते हो, मुझे ग्रीन वाला पसंद नहीं आया. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट वाज आउट ऑफ ग्रेट जेस्चर, लाइक आई गेट इट, बट ईच टाइम लाइक मैं उसको देखती हूँ एंड मुझे पहनने की इच्छा भी, के मन भी होता है कि मुझे पहनना है, तो लाइक अरे यार नहीं, शी हैड नॉट लाइक इट. तो ये एकदम छोटी सी चीज है बट वो इम्पैक्ट तो है. एंड आई ऑलवेज से दैट, सो आप लोग का ये क्वेश्चन होगा, अरे तो तुम तो साइकोलॉजिस्ट हो, तुमको क्या फर्क पड़ता है, डोंट यू हैव द ट्रेनिंग इन इट. बट ये पहले इट्स important to know and to tell you all that first I'm a human being, and then I have all the designations that I carry. So my immediate reaction looking at a lion would be the same what you would have. अगर जो मैंने लायन को देखा है और मुझे पता है कि मेरे पास कोई भी चीज हैंडी नहीं है, मैं भागूंगी. मैं उधर रहकर ये नहीं बोलूंगी कि हाँ विशाखा कूल डाउन कूल डाउन. दैट इज माय immediate response because I'm a human being first. So mental health professionals are human beings first, and then all the designated designations that they carry. So that is one thing, that how our simple talks can have an impact. तो थोड़ा अगर जो हम उसे वे करते हैं कि सोचते हैं क्या उसका रिपोर्शन हो सकता है, इट विल बी अ गुड थिंग. एंड जजमेंट्स तो आती रहेगी, पर तुम उसको फिल्टर तो कर सकते हो ना. जैसे हम अभी हम ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में कितनी सारी चीजें फिल्टर करते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे हम कितने सारे फिल्टर्स लगाते हैं, ऑलरेडी इतने सारे मास्क हम पहने हुए रहते हैं, बट स्टिल वी वांट मोर फिल्टर टू इट. So yeah, and always remember, guys, just one thing, like unconsciously हम बहुत सारी baggages already carry कर रहे हैं. So let's not add a conscious baggage to us and to our whole well-being. So yes, okay. I can
Wise,
keep
very wise
talking.
words. I can feel an aura building up around your head, एकदम enlightened. Like, just kidding, just kidding. But that, guys, that's exactly the kind of thing that legitimizes her words. That she actually has given a lot of time in studying those things that she's saying. बोलने के लिए मैं भी वो लाइंस बोल सकता हूँ, आप भी बोल सकते हैं, एंड वी वुड मीन इक्वली वेल फॉर एवरीवन. But the only difference is she has way more experience, trust me, than any one of us when it comes. She and her and all the other mental health professionals who are doing a really good job have a legitimate experience, right? आप बोलोगे कि इसमें ये थोड़ा कम था और मैं बोलूंगा थोड़ा तो फर्क होगा because this is my field. So in the same manner, dealing with emotions is hers. So we should definitely listen to her.
Okay, can I add one more thing if you don't mind?
Go for it,
Are we
please.
running out of time?
No, no, we aren't.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, so there's another thing मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ so mental health और physical health, okay? आप
Hmm?
ये of course observe करिए and I'm sure आप you will be like yes Vishaka what you're saying is right. Is like कभी भी कोई physical problems होती है ना तो हम directly diagnosis नहीं देते हैं कि हाँ मुझे डेंगू हुआ है कि मुझे मलेरिया हुआ है कि मुझे इन्फ्लुएंजा हुआ है हम क्या बोलते हैं कि मुझे फीवर हुआ है मुझे कॉफ है मुझे ठंड ठंड लग रही है मैं शिवर हो रही हूँ तो हम सिम्टम्स बोलते हैं बट आई
Right.
डोंट नो व्हाई ये मेंटल हेल्थ के साथ नहीं होता मेंटल हेल्थ में हम सिम्टम्स नहीं देते हम डायरेक्टली डायग्नोसिस यूज करते हैं दैट यू नो व्हाट लुक एट हर वो कितनी इम्पल्सिव है she cannot sit in one place वो कितनी you know I think she has ADHD that is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder कि प्रॉब्ली यू नो मुझे ना चीजें यही ऑर्डर में पसंद है ओ यू हैव ओसीडी सो यू नो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये इन वो वर्ड्स और एडजेक्टिव्स नहीं है यू नो गाइस आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट वी वांट टू यूज गुड वर्ड्स बट बहुत ही फाइन लाइन होती है सिम्टम्स डायग्नोसिस और वो इन वोग वर्ड्स यूज करने के लिए सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जैसे आप सिम्टम्स बताते हो ना फिजिकली ऐसे ही अगर जो हम सिम्टम्स बताए कि हाँ टुडे आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल or probably you know I'm not feeling very good or probably I'm having a roller coaster of emotions when you cannot identify कि basically what you're feeling
Right.
or roller
Right.
coaster of emotions so at least
Right.
you are not giving a full-fledged self-diagnosis to your own self you know like oh yeah today I think I
Super
have
important to
bipolar
know yourself.
yeah like I think I am bipolar you know I know so many people who come and tell me you know what I think I'm bipolar you know I get an anxiety attack and I have to tell them कि anxiety attack होती ही नहीं है of course Dr. Google is the main Dr. Google he has the biggest degree but I always keep saying that guys Google might know your history but it might not know your case history so it's important for us to understand कि Google सिर्फ तुम्हारे words decode करके बताएगा कि भाई ये चार्ट है इसमें से तुम सिलेक्ट कर लो क्या है but probably जब आप
Right.
प्रोफेशनल हेल्प लेते हो it gives you a fine line that okay on a timeline आपके साथ क्या हुआ है और अभी क्या ट्रिगर हुआ that you're feeling all of this.
Right.
So, yes, okay.
Definitely, and that makes a very legitimate point. And especially, I like that analogy कि fever को हम start में fever, infection, symptoms ये सारा बोलते हैं. So why are we
Correct.
so aggressive when it comes to mental health?
Correct.
That clearly shows our prominent uneducation in this field, you know, in this particular aspect. Sadly, ये बहुत ही basic aspect है.
Correct.
It's like it's a big complaint from my side and many others from the education system, you know, कि हमें सक्सेसफुल होना सिखा दिया, ये वो सब सिखा दिया. टैक्सेस कैसे फाइल करते हैं ये तो
Correct.
सिखाया ही नहीं. यू
Correct.
नो अकाउंट्स का मतलब क्या होता है ये सिखाया है नहीं. ओनली इफ यू आर अ कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट शुड यू गेट टू नो अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दिस. दैट्स नॉट फेयर. सो एनीवे,
Correct.
नॉट डाइवर्जिंग मच, this is also
Correct.
not fair that we are not taught about our own emotions, you know. Since
Correct.
that is the case, hopefully that won't be in the very near future. Till then, we all must heavily depend on mental health professionals, not just to just go for a therapy session, but as a live sessions hai. People also, I encourage you especially and everyone else in this chat, अगर आपको भी कोई mental health professional, काफी आपके दोस्त होंगे who are doing good in this profession, then please hold such live sessions. ये खाली कोई मेरे सॉन्ग रिलीज के लिए एक्सक्लूसिव नहीं है. वी नीड टू हैव सच कन्वर्सेशंस क्योंकि यहाँ पर अभी आई एम होपिंग अराउंड 200 पीपल ऑन एंड ऑफ सॉ दिस लाइव सेशन, यू नो. उसमें से अगर एक या दो लोगों ने भी कुछ अच्छा समझा, कुछ लेजिटिमेट समझा इससे, एंड दैट परमानेंटली चेंज देयर थॉट पैटर्न और बिलीफ अबाउट समथिंग, इट्स अ विन विन.
Correct.
सो दैट नीड्स टू
Different
हैपन.
perspective.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, Vishu, people use such things very loosely. Himangi is saying.
Yes.
Yeah. And it's me, Ravi. Ravi was saying, sir, the first time I met you was at Ahmedabad during Shirley Setia concert. You are such a good soul. Thank you so much, Ravi. Kya baat hai? Asif says, scene 2, good man, your voice deserves millions. आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर, बस वो जल्दी सपना सच हो जाए. उससे याद आ रहा है, बाय द वे गाइस, द वीडियो हैज क्रॉस्ड द लास्ट टाइम आई सॉ, थोड़ी देर पहले द वीडियो वाज ऑन 33 plus thousand views, which is amazing. सो देखते रहिए, शेयर करते रहिए इसी तरीके से। होपफुली 50,000 प्लस भी हो ही जाएंगे इन नो टाइम। सो या, एंड समवन, आई अभी मैं देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ, बट समवन सेड दैट थोड़ा गाना भी हो जाए। ओके, इट वाज माय डैड ओनली। चलो, सो आई विल सिंग वन सॉन्ग दैट स्टक इन माय माइंड। ऑलराइट।
चलो।
अपना नाम बदल लो या तेरा नाम छुपा लूं, या छोड़ के सारी याद मैं बैराग उठा लूं। बस एक रहे मेरा काम इश्क, मेरा काम इश्क, मेरा काम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम, तेरा नाम, मेरा नाम इश्क, ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये बैर इश्क, ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये बैर इश्क, इश्क इश्क। तुझे संग बैर लगाया ऐसा, तुझ संग बैर लगाया ऐसा, ओ रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा, ओ रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा, ओ मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम, तेरा नाम, मेरा नाम इश्क, ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये ऐब इश्क, ये बैर इश्क, ये काली रात जकड़, ये ठंडा चांद पकड़ लूं, ये काली रात जकड़ लूं, ये ठंडा चांद पकड़ लूं, दिन रात के बैरी रेत का रुख मोड़ के मैं रख लूं, तुझे संग बैर लगाया ऐसा, रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा, हो रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा।
Okay, this was therapy for me.
Woo! That's a great compliment. Made my day.
Seriously, I'm always feeling so nice. Like I remember, I know how I started with all, talking. And now with your singing, I'm just feeling so nice and maintaining my homeostasis in the body.
Wow,
Nice.
that's so nice. Himangi is saying, Kushal, I invite you to my live show as well as a guest speaker for both of y'all on Casual Series live sessions every Sunday evening. क्या बात है, वाह, ऑलरेडी देखो इनवाइट आ गया। विशाखा के
Yes.
साथ और लाइव करने पड़ेंगे, मतलब अच्छा इम्पैक्ट आ रहा है मेरे प्रोफाइल पे।
So Himangi is
Yes,
my
definitely
school
Himangi।
friend.
Oh,
Yeah, and
wow।
she is also doing very well for herself. Hi, Imangi. Sure, I would love to be doing your casually serious. Yeah, XOXO. Yes.
XOXO. So
Hmm.
yes, some more people have said beautiful. Wish you all the love and luck, Vishakha. Way
Thank
to
you.
go, girl.
Thank
And
you.
Chinmay, my very good college friend, is saying such a simple yet necessary discussion. Thank you. So I was remembering this fun incident,
Hmm.
scolding wala incident actually Chinmay के साथ ही हुआ था.
Hmm.
So whenever we chat, कभी भी काफी टाइम पहले बात हो रही थी, and I said something. I was like OCD issues. I was talking about me. I know. भड़क गई हो मुझ पे एकदम फुल ऑन
No.
कि हेलो, ये क्या है, ऐसा ऐसे नहीं यूज कर सकते। हाँ, लाइक ओके प्लीज। So yeah, but I did listen to her on a genuine note,
Hmm.
and keeping the fact aside that there aren't many people to talk to anyway, since there aren't shows happening. But whenever I do talk, I consciously don't use OCD or bipolar. तो ऐसे भी नहीं करता था. But yeah,
Huh.
such words should be used with their due respect to the meaning and the context. More
Correct.
importantly. So yeah,
Correct.
Chinmay must be smiling right now.
Like I
But
just
yeah,
knew it. I just knew it. I just knew it.
yeah. So Vishakha,
Yes.
thank you so much. You've been a treat to talk to. बहुत मजा आया. And would you like to sing something?
No, okay. Not at all. Not. I'm a bathroom singer. I'm telling you. No,
Oh,
not at
just
all.
just imagine this is the bathroom. Just imagine, thought experiment. Close your eyes. It's like a guided thing. Close your eyes. Deeply imagine this is the bathroom minus all the other things of bathing.
Are you going to sing with me so I don't feel embarrassed or I don't feel judged, you know? Is the
Actually,
word.
my very educated and qualified mental health friend has asked me to not judge. ऐसा asked all of us कि पहले moment में judge नहीं करना चाहिए. And I have already judged you way back, so don't worry.
But hey, my lyrics are horrible, you know. I don't
So high five. I also don't score very well in that department.
okay. So I
Come
can
on, go for
sing.
it.
I'll just
What
sing
song do you want?
one. Okay. तुमसे मिलके ऐसा लगा तुमसे मिलके अरमान
अरमां पे पूरे
हुए पूरे
दिल
दिल के है मेरी जाने वफा आई थिंक सो तेरी
के
मेरी तेरी एक जान है ना 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 that's it K I don't know I'm really bad at singing
Well, you were doing so well. Come on, come on. Complete the line.
no
Complete the
no
line at least.
I don't know the lyrics you help me I'll sing with you
जाते रहेंगे सदा,
सदा
तुमसे
तुमसे
न होंगे।
न होंगे जुदा I get nasal yeah when I sing
अरे
I just
so so
evaporate
अरे उसमें कुछ नहीं, but that was sweet. You actually sang in pitch, so you should practice
yeah
that more. सही था.
as my
So
therapy yes K,
so
would you
बस
want to sing Tumse Milke? Like one line with your guitar in hand?
definitely I'll do that. So this live session is ending in 10 seconds. So let's
Okay,
rejoin. I'll
okay.
invite you again. Okay.
All
So
right,
मैं फिर
all
से
right,
live आता हूँ. Guys,
all
everyone,
right.
please. ये जिंदगी ला ला ला. So I'm I'm just waiting for everyone. Pancham, how are you भाई? बहुत दिनों से देखा नहीं है आपको ऑनलाइन. हर्ष डेटिया, हर्ष, सो अच्छे. Vishakha is back. Let's get her on board quickly. Vishakha. भाई मम्मी तुमसे मिलके लिरिक्स.
Hi, hi, hi.
Hi
Hi,
Vishakha.
Auntie.
Now
Hi,
this is our
Uncle.
pro. This is your second live session.
Yes,
You are nailing it.
yes.
Full on.
Hi, Auntie.
So
Hi, Uncle. Aiki, Ayo. Are they here? I can have
yeah,
sexy conversation.
they are like my review board, immediate feedback board.
Agreed.
मैं यहाँ
Yeah.
पर कुछ गा रहा हूँ या लाइव सेशन चालू है तो इमीडिएटली अरे कुशल वो कमेंट नहीं पढ़ा, कुशल वो नहीं देखा, ये नहीं
Yes,
देखा.
I see her writing hi. Auntie,
Hi,
Aiki,
yeah, that's
Ayo. Koro karota.
Shruti is here, another very lively person and friend from college times. It's just a treat when I suddenly see someone joining and I know that person and I haven't spoken to them in a long time. मजा आता है. Zeal is here, my sister.
Hi, Vaish. She's my childhood friend.
Wow, amazing. Cool. So, I'll sing one verse on popular demand. Shruti says, proud of you, Kushal. Thank you so much, Shruti. She used to be damn supportive as a friend in college times. So, मजा आता था. Okay, guys, so here's विशाखा की रिक्वेस्ट. विशाखा ने बहुत हैवी पेमेंट मांगी है मुझसे ये लाइव सेशन करवाने के लिए. तो मेरा बैंक बैलेंस तो खाली हो ही रहा है, देखो ऊपर से गवा भी रही है. मतलब देखो अभी क्या क्या करना पड़ता है सिर्फ बड़े लोगों को लाइव लेके आने
Look who's talking.
मेरे सनम तेरी कसम छोड़ेंगे अब ना ये हाथ. ये जिंदगी गुजरेगी अब हमदम तुम्हारे ही साथ. अपना ये वादा रहा तुमसे न होंगे जुदा. तुमसे मिलके ऐसा लगा तुमसे मिलके अरमां हुए के ऐ मेरी जाने वफा. तेरी मेरी 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 ना 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 ना. साथ तेरे रहेंगे सदा. तुमसे न होंगे जुदा. तुमसे मिलके ऐसा लगा तुमसे मिलके अरमां हुए पूरे दिल के है मेरी जाने वफा. हवाओं से लिपटा हुआ मैं गुजर जाऊंगा तुमको छोड़ के. अगर मन हो तो रोक लेना. ठहर जाऊंगा इन लबों पे. मैं रहूं या ना रहूं तुम मुझको महसूस करना. बस इतना है तुमसे कहना. 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 मैं रहूं या ना रहूं तुम मुझ में कहीं बाकी रहना.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So Tumse Milke is my favorite song. So thank you.
Wow. Okay, noted.
Yes. Thank
मजा
you.
आया. Yeah. Both the songs are so nice, and मैं रहूं या ना रहूं as well. So again, as the ending note, apart from thanking Vishakha for joining me, giving us the privilege of listening to her for the first time on Instagram, I want
Yes.
to thank each and every person who is here on the live session. Yeah, इतने time से you guys are consistently here. Thank you so much. Asif says, भाई एक बार तेरी दीवानी कैलाश खेर in your voice. I definitely will, but okay, उसके पहले you sing amazing, Vesh, and a couple of other compliments and people joining in. Thank you so much. So I'll do one thing. मैं खाली थोड़ा गाता हूँ क्योंकि अभी मैं लेजिट ये गाने के बाद लोगों को बोर कर रहा हूँ.
Okay. It's a treat listening to you. Some good sleep tonight.
तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम पे मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम पे मर जाऊं, तेरे जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं. तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, हो जी हाँ जी हो गई मैं. तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, हो जी हाँ जी हो गई मैं. तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी. Someone, कौन है वो? Himangi is saying, no one told me requests ले रहे हो आप. That wasn't even the plan, but thank you guys. It's
Yes.
always, it makes me feel so good when someone requests. तो पता चलता है कि हाँ भाई, people
And
actually
he
want
never says a
it.
no. Guys, he never says a no. He'll take some time. It'll be a delayed response, but he's gonna do it. He's that a bigger heart. So yeah.
Careless bachelor with a big heart.
My careless bachelor with a very big heart. Yes.
Yeah. So at the end note, again, thanks a lot, Vishakha. Thank you everyone for joining
Thank
in.
you.
And अगर आपको आज का ये सेशन अच्छा लगा, which I'm very sure अच्छा लगा ही होगा, she's just amazing. तो please कल भी around same time I'll let the poster out, so I'll let you guys know with whom I'll be having the session. एंड कल भी ऐसे बहुत सारे दिनों के लिए ऐसे सेशंस होंगे. प्लीज डू ट्यून इन. कुछ चार बातें मुझे और आप सभी को सीखने को मिलेंगी विद ऑल ऑफ दीज अमेजिंग पीपल. इफ यू हैवंट वॉच्ड माय वीडियो, माय सॉन्ग, देन प्लीज
Please
वॉच
go
इट.
watch it.
इट कैरीज द सेम मैसेज इन अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग मैनर. बहुत मेहनत की है हम सभी ने उस गाने पर. देन do drop a like, share your views in the comment section, share it with your friends, and thank you so much again for joining. That's
Thank
Kushal.
you.
That's amazing Vishakha exiting the chat, and see you
Thank you,
guys.
guys. Yes,
Thank
thank
you
you,
so much.
guys.
Good
Thank you,
night.
Kay.
Bye
Bye. Good
bye.
night. Sleep warm, guys. Bye.
Yep.
Thank
Bye.
you.